Hello and welcome back to another episode of Bullows Paintshop Tales, your partner in precision fluid handling and spray systems. Today we are showcasing a specially designed 200 liter pressure pot which is custom built for a critical application, which is silicone spray dispensing for tire curing process in the tire industry. In the tire manufacturing process, the curing press is where the raw tires are molded and vulcanized. To ensure easy release and prevent sticking, silicone spray is applied on the curing mold surface. This process demands precision, consistency and durability from the dispensing system of side. Our 200 liter pressure pot are custom built to meet these exact specifications. Engineered for heavy duty use in mind, these are available in both MS and SS construction. These systems ensure compatibility with silicone based fluids and withstand continuous industrial use. So now let's take a look at our system. So this is the system in front of you. On the front we have the name plaque and technical specification sticker mentioned for easy operator use and understanding. On the top we have the lid. The lid is locked in place by using clamp screws all around the lid. Next, on the top of the lid we have the pressure gauge to monitor the pressure inside the PFT. On the side we have the air regulator with air inlet connection, and on the left we have the output dispensing valve. At the center of the lid we have a 0.6 HP rotary geared pneumatic air motor, which is used for continuous agitation of the silicone solution inside the tank. At the back side of the motor we have our funnel system for input of the silicone spray once the tank is depressurized for refilling the tank. So this is the entire system. Here's why this system is the preferred choice in tire manufacturing industry. Number one is the high capacity for uninterrupted operation. Second is the uniform dispensing of the solution for consistent mold release. And third is the reduced downtime with easy maintenance in design. Installed and field proven in major tire manufacturing units, our pressure pots deliver performance day in and day out. If your process involves silicone spray or similar fluid dispensing, trust Bullows for engineered solutions that last. If you need more info about this pressurized container, you can drop your question in the comment section or connect with us through our website or our contact details in the video description. If you like this video and found the content useful, then give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative content, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.